Just on CNBC TV18, there's a lot happening in the commodity space as well. Manish Gupta is joining us with all the update. Hey Manisha, good morning. A long weekend for the commodity markets as well.
Oh, well, yes, absolutely. But we are looking at major moves coming in here, Sonal. If you look at the crude oil prices, overnight was a 1% gains. With this, now we're trading at a one-month highs. China cutting reserve requirement for local banks clearly seems to have done the trick. Also, the US and UK PMI numbers have shown good improvement over the last month. The US crude inventories also have shown a decline. And then there's a coalition of 24 nations led by US and UK, which have conducted new strikes against Houthi fighters in Yemen. So the geopolitical premium also continues to be in the prices. Having said that, not too many banks and brokers feel that you will be looking at very high crude oil prices because the demand is still catching up. So JP Morgan has cut its and revised its Brent outlook for this year at $83 a barrel. But when you look at the other metals as well, we're looking at some steady moves coming in here. That is because the US dollar index has slipped to a one-week lows after hitting a 6-month highs. So that has been supportive. So gold seems to have steadied. But most important would be the fourth quarter US GDP numbers that come in today. The street will take further reaction from that. And the expectations that you could be looking at further stimulus coming in from China is another reason that you have seen support come in for many of these metal prices today.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much, Manisha, for joining us. So that's what's happening in the commodity space. With that, we'll wrap on this edition of Power Breakfast. And as we